In the financial week, as the island prepares for a wave of visitor arrivals this summer, Chairman of Sandals Resorts, Adam Stewart, is suggesting that hoteliers consider implementing a premium brand to their business model. Mr. Stewart was speaking at Mayberry's Virtual Investor Forum recently. Andrew Laidley reports.
The Sandals Resorts is a long-standing brand in Jamaica's tourism environment. The company is known for its all-inclusive offerings, among other features. But Chairman Adam Stewart has admitted that he is willing to venture into boutique villa offerings, which has seen increased demand.
There's different segments in travel, called segmentation, and I always explain it by using Marriott, because everyone knows the Courtyard, you now know the AC, then there's Marriott, then it goes all the way up to Ritz-Carlton and Edition Hotels. Those are all the different segments. I think Jamaica has a lot of 2 and 2.5 and 3-star product. To Chris Berry, Chairman Berry's point, I think there is a huge opportunity here for boutique hotels in hospitality in Jamaica.
He says Sandals is exploring the possibility of establishing boutique villas in eastern Jamaica.
And being the largest all-inclusive operator in the country and the Caribbean, I'd say to you that I think there's a ripe opportunity for non-all-inclusive hotels. I think Jamaica needs more EP hotels, and I myself will be looking in that direction to balance out the portfolio of product in Jamaica.
He says the inclusive model and emerging premium feature can work together to boost Jamaica's tourism earnings.
You want to balance out, no different than I always say. If you drink too much liquor, you get cirrhosis of the liver. Too much sugar, you get diabetes. You have to have balance in every and anything in life. Taking the grill and what the grill used to be and rolling it into that beach club vibe, that very sexy vibe where consumers are willing to come and they're willing to pay a ADR that's easily twice above the average of the country. ADR meaning average daily rate, twice above the country today, because they're looking for that exotic.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Thank you so much, Andrew. News from overseas and our bite.